Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to Journaling on a Budget. This is the last page in our journal and I did a few pages off camera because I'm getting ready to start the next series and I really wanted to get it started. Anyways, this is the last page that we have to go, and I have this little salt watercolor page that we did in our Build Your Stash and Craft series quite a long time ago with the black and white sticker on it. And this is just a corner flip and tuck, and I did put some light line stamping on there. And this is going to go in the corner, and then I chose a journaling card that I did, and I like doing journaling cards on the back of index cards because they're nice and heavy, and then you've got your lines there all ready to go. And so I went ahead and chose this out of my stash. And so what we're going to do is the first thing I want to do before we start this is I do want to, this is going to tuck in here like this. I bought a stencil that I wanted to use for this book, and so I wanted to go ahead and do that first. Let me see what's on the other half of this page. Let's see, that would be this right here. Okay, we can pull this page out because this has a hidden paper clip on it, and so we're going to take that hidden paper clip off. And we can slide this page right out. Oops. I don't want to slide our pretty acetate with it. Let's get that where it belongs. There we go. And pull this page right out. Okay, now we can set our book aside and finish our last page. So this is going to be our last page. Want to get it nice and flat since I'm going to stencil. And I bought this stencil from TCW is the stencil, and I just thought this was lovely, and I wanted to put the dove and the piece on the top of this page. And I tried the stencil to make sure that I liked it before I put it on my page, since this page is directly going into my book and I'm not putting it on a separate piece of paper and gluing it on. I wanted to make sure that it looked the way that I thought it would. So I'm going to put the dove up here in the corner, and I just think that dove is really pretty because he's got the flowers on him. I just really like the way that that looks. Oh, and this is Tumbled Glass, the ink pad. So we'll just get him on there like that. And there we go. Isn't that pretty? I just think that's so pretty. I wanted to look and see if it's coming through on the other side, and it's not. So that's good. And then I wanted to put the piece right up here, just above him, kind of fitting into where his wings and body come together. And that way it'll be at the top of the page where the tag is not going to cover it up. And one thing you have to remember is this tumbled glass is quite a light blue, but putting it on the tea-dyed paper tones it back and darkens it down a little bit. And so it's not quite as bright. And there we go. I just love the way that looks. And then I wanted to do just a little bit of Punchinella, just because that's what we've done everywhere else. Kind of tie everything together and not have these big blank spots. So just a little here and there. And some of this is going to be covered with our tag and our corner spot, but there we go. I want a little bit right up here. And I'm doing this a little lighter than I did the stenciling. And a little bit down in this corner because I know that that the corner is not going to come over quite that far. This corner. Let's put this on here and see if we like it. And I do. I think that looks really nice. And so I've already edged this with the tumbled glass. And I want this to be a pocket. So we have our fold is here. It's just a square piece of paper folded on a diagonal, and then you can make that a tuck spot if you only put your glue on these two sides. Thank you very much, everyone, for following along with this series. So it has been really fun. This is, I don't know, it's video number 80 something. So we've been at it for a while, and it's fun to get it finished. It's always sad to see them go. But we're going to start a new one. The new series is going to be starting from scratch, making a journal on a $25 budget, complete start to finish. And that is everything, including the scissors, the razor knives, anything that you might need to make this journal, just in case someone doesn't have anything and they're truly just starting. Now I'm going to put this with a little bit of about 1/8 of an inch on the side and the bottom. Give it a good press and open it up so that you don't glue it together. But yep, so the new series will be starting next week. After this video, I will do the complete flip through of this journal, so that will come out today also, and you'll get to see it completed. And I hope that you're having fun making your own, because it's just a nice relaxing thing to do. So there we go. We have that page with our pretty flower. This is going to go right in here, and when you can put it all the way down, you'll see the bird peeking out and the piece at the top. I don't want to quite put that all the way in there, but you'll be able to put it down about like this. And I'm going to let this dry nice and completely before I tuck that in there. But that was a really simple page, and this is a very short video. But I didn't think it was going to go that quick. Thank you again, though. I really do appreciate all of your support and all of the lovely comments that you leave, because it means a lot to me to know that you enjoy that you're enjoying the videos, and that makes it worth doing. So we're just going to slide this. Let's see, that one goes there. This one goes here. That will be the fun part of putting it back in. We need to find the other page, because we have our elastics in there. We can lift on that just a little bit in order to slide that page right through there. Get a hold of it on the other side. If you can get a hold of it, there we go. Well, maybe. And there we go. There is the final page in our book. I love the sentiment. And we're going to have this tag in here. And so there we go. This is our journal page for today. Again, thank you very much. This is the last video other than the flip through in this series. And I really do appreciate everything that you all have done to support me in this series. Thanks again. Don't forget, the new series will start next week. So the first video will show exactly what we're doing and the things that I have purchased to start that journal. So thanks again. The flip through will be right after this. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.